Time now is 4:15. I am at KL Central waiting for my ride because today we start on our first day of shooting for Kampung Quest. My ride was supposed to be here at 4. It's 4:16. At 4:10 they messaged me saying, "We just left. See you in a bit." I will be gone from KL for about 2 weeks. 16 days. Going to be in Belum Rainforest shooting the latest season of Kampung Quest. That means lots of dirty underwear. And I don't know how good internet connection is gonna be. And I don't know if I'll ever have contact with civilization. What's up? It's good to see Kampung Quest timing in full-blown action. What's happening, guys? Say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi, 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 hi.
Finally sampai. Bila nak sampai?
We are at the jetty. Jetty's down there. Dog's over there, if you can see. And finally made it. It's a bit dark, but the journey's not over yet. We're gonna ship all our stuff onto a boat and head over to an island. We're on a boat. So I'm making my way to my room, and this is it actually. This is the, well, a solo chalet for myself, and this is Mikasa for the next 16 days. At least it comes with its own attached bathroom. All in all, it's not too bad. Okay, so here's the situation. It is now 1:15. We're about to shoot our first scene. I know it's early, or really late if you think about it, and I know we're all exhausted from the thing, but the show must go on. This has been the journey so far. Tomorrow morning, let's see if we can get a better view of this place in the light. Good morning, what's up? It's 12 o'clock, it's not even the morning anymore. Now, this is day 5 of Kampung Quest, or day 6 of Kampung Quest. The days become a blur, and I know I haven't been vlogging over the past few days, nor have I uploaded a vlog yet, because there's just no internet connection. So today I thought I'd take the day to record and show you around what it's like to be on set in the middle of the rainforest. This is the morning view. What's happening, Baron?
Morning.
Just wake up?
Yep, how's things?
Not too bad, I just woke up too. This is like production people. Obviously discussing important production stuff. Morning. So Shami's got this really cool sleeve on. Turn around, show us what it looks like from behind. That's right, dude. So sexy. Anyways, Ines, take us on a quick tour of the various parts of Kampung Quest Production Village.
So over here is where we cook. So as you can see, there are pots and pans, water boiling.
Yes, hot water, very important.
Yeah, very important. And this is where we keep all our things. Eggs, rice. And this is where we wash our dishes. And this is our rice cooker.
Biggest rice cooker in the world.
Yeah. Pretty damn cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the board, the whiteboard.
Right.
Okay, the most important section now is this menu of the day,
which gets updated every day.
Yeah. Here we have camera equipment. Is that what it's called? I don't know what these are. So I cannot say anything. This is heaven for us over here. Just look and see. You understand why?
This is the production snack baskets.
Yes.
This also used to be a basket full of snacks, but we finished it.
That's how laku lah. The snacks are over here, you know. Really heaven. Apollo especially. You're filming me with my hair like this.
Okay lah. It's the production look.
So over here we have our canned food, where most of our meals are made out of this.
Ta-da! So we have a lot of mushroom soup, a lot of sardines, and a lot of baked beans.
And that's pretty much it. This area lah.
Thank you very much for the tour, Ines.
No problem. Hope you enjoyed it.
Take a look at that. Take a look at all of this. So this is how I've been spending most of my days on production. I wake up in the morning, I get some food, and then I wait. I take a nap, and I wait some more. And then when they're ready for me to do something, then they'll call me over and I'll head on a boat and do shooting. Look at what I am surrounded by. The production village that we're on is actually this small little like isle in the middle of the Belum Rainforest that is owned by the Jabatan Pertanian, and the only people here are usually Jabatan Pertanian people. In fact, this isle itself is called Pulau Pertanian. It's got its own electricity, generators, water pumps. It's perfect for the zombie apocalypse. So it is a crazy hot day today. We just got done with one of the quests. Woo! Let's get ready to swim. You guys ready to go for a swim? Yeah! Yeah?
Let's go.
Are you ready to save us if we drown?
Yeah.
Do you swim?
No.
What? Are we ready for the last bit of shooting for the day, hopefully?
Yes, can't wait to go back to civilization and eat the good food and sleep the good sleep. But it's been a blast. It's been a blast.
Baron is saying that, but you know, you should have said that. You heard the things he said to me when we were off camera. Bottle flip challenge, go. Okay, again. Yeah. Oh! Oh! I got that on camera. Okay, now we can cut and edit and make it look like I did it once only.
We are sitting behind the scenes. Okay, right now we're going to Isolation Bay to shoot the introduction scene, the opening scene for Kampung Quest Season 4.
Is that where we're doing it? Isolation Bay?
Yeah.
Holy crap! That's the place where people get abandoned and they break down and cry and shit. Welcome to Isolation Bay.
Hi there. My name is Iskandar. I'm the executive producer of Kampung Quest. Behind me is Baron, our director of photography. And
Yo there.
he's brilliant at what he does. And in his hand, he's holding
Gimbal.
Electronic
video
gimbal.
stabilizer
Yeah.
to get those smooth, stable shots. Because Kampung Quest is hardcore.
Yeah, hardcore. And then next to me is my brother Fai, who's the director of Kampung Quest for 4 seasons so far. Then we have Wilson, who's our camera guy, our lead camera guy, and he's holding the zoom which records sound. And of course we have Jeremy.
Hi.
Jeremy.
Nice to be on the vlog.
Yeah. It's gonna be called Iskandar's vlog now.
Unless we...
Here we see Jeremy
We've got all
reflecting on life. He's thinking about all the Overwatch games he's missing right now.
It's true. I could have hit level 100 by now, but I'm not. Because I'm in the wilderness, man. Anda, Gifari! What did I tell you? How did your journey into the brave, civilized world go?
It was tough, but we did it. Because we are
The man!
brothers.
It's not a shoot without a rap party, and these guys went out and got some food. So this is the plan, everybody. Come in. There we go. All right. So this is the plan. For the first time ever, we're gonna try and record on my vlog a tradition of the Kampung Quest family, the Kampung Quest production campfire. Yeah. We'll discover who truly is the production member to reckon with.
I give them snacks.
I give them food.
Fire.
Yeah.
And then the
I
first
make
flame.
the food.
Oh my god, what did Jeremy bring? His whole fridge?
That's right. Iskandar's helping me carry my bag. It's too freaking big. Last night over, we're getting ready to leave the island. All the urbanites are dressing up like normal, leaving behind their Kampung Quest clothes, and should be headed for the jetty in, well, really soon. To the camera.
Live the adventure, Jeremy Teo vlog. All the best, y'all. You are the coolest.
Interesting fact, these steps were not here when we first arrived. They were built while we were here. Most likely by one of our cameramen, Matt.
Bye-bye, Pulau Pertanian.
Are you saying that this is the hierarchy of the... Why is my name on the bottom?
Exactly.
I thought this was just in random order. Like if anybody else decided to join the team, they get put above me.